What is up, Key Gang? We are going to be doing a nighttime skincare routine tonight. So yeah, we are going to be using the Sephora Holy Grail skincare set. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing we're going to use, it says it is kale and green tea spinach vitamins superfood cleanser. It is a face wash, so gotta grab a wrap, put a little bit on there, and this is what it looks like. It comes in like a clear little bottle. Got my rag, and we're just gonna dip a little bit on here, not too much. So I'm gonna put on a bonnet so I don't get my hair wet, because honey, I look cute. I look like a baby. So cute. Okay, so anyway, smell all organic. Good. Okay, voila, step number one. Then next we are going to use the knockout tangling treatment. It will be in like a small little container. Just dab a little bit all across. And it's gonna give you like a weird tingly burning feeling. Kind of feels weird. And you just pat it into your face. You let it sit for a couple. And then we are gonna go in with the Ultra Repair Cream. It is for intense hydration and for dry, parched skin. So if you have dry, parched skin, definitely should try. Spread it. And it makes you look all moisturized or whatever. Dry skin where? Dry skin how? Okay, so then we are gonna go in with the eye gel. It's like if you have dark spots under your eyes, which I do a little bit or whatever. I got like patchy skin, a little discoloration or whatever. So this visibly reduces puffiness and dark circles. So you just squirt a little bit and like that. Period. The next thing we are going to use is called Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. This is fast absorbing body cream. It helps tighten and smooth like no other, so they say. So we're just gonna take a little dab of this, just a little bit. Not major, so I'm like, I'm gonna rub it in. It actually smells really good too. I wonder why they call it Bum Bum Cream though. It's like a interesting name. You know, you just like invent moisturizing cream, like, yeah, we're gonna name this Okay, this is the Super Screen daily moisturizer. They say get a little amount. And just rub that all in. Just add a little bit. This actually smells just like Play-Doh. I literally feel like I'm like rolling a Play-Doh ball on my face. Boom. And then our last step is lip sleeping mask. Oh, y'all see my face looking all moisturized or whatnot? Okay. So this actually smells really good. It kind of smells like bubblegum. I like bubblegum flavored. So I'm just gonna rub all over my lips. I got some big lips, child, so I can't play with them. Just rub a little bit in. Voila, you are now moisturized, honey. So make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you leave a comment. Bye, gang.